Package includes all necessary wiring. One Cyclone puts out 516 raw lumens of light for vibrant visibility. IP68 rated waterproof ceiling. 5-watt Cyclone LED lights feature extremely low amp draw and high output in a compact package. 23-year. Cyclone LED under-hood kits illuminate your engine bay with very low amp draw and are easy to mount no matter what vehicle you own. These universal LED kits come with 1 or 2 Cyclone lights, wiring, weatherproof switch, and hardware. Top reviews from the United States. They work as advertised. These things light up the night and dark places under the hood. Only problem with installing them on a 4Runner is attaching them. I saw all kinds of YouTube videos and all types of suggestions and none of them were any good. All the manufacturer had to do is include a way to attach the lights to the underhood of the Toyota 4Runner or whatever vehicle. Tried all types of panel screws and push panel pins and none worked. I finally bought the magnets that Amazon suggested. Those worked after I added a small amount of JB Weld so they would not fall off when hitting bumps or other shaking events. The attachment is the only problem I had with these lights. Great addition to your 4Runner.